Thanksgiving is about family, friends, and turkey. But what makes a great Thanksgiving feast are the sides. So here are the top 7 sides for your Thanksgiving feast. 7. Green bean casserole. This casserole is consisting mostly of green beans, cream of mushroom soup, and French fried onions. The recipe was created in 1955 by Dorcas Riley at the Campbell Soup Company. 6. Thanksgiving rolls. Light, fluffy, buttery dinner rolls are impossible to resist. Homemade with just a handful of simple ingredients, the best dinner rolls can be on your table in a jiffy. 5. Homemade gravy. Made with or without leftover pan drippings, from your roast turkey or roast chicken, is so much better than canned or instant gravy. Especially when those incredible roast flavors are infused through every mouthful. 4. The classic Thanksgiving stuffing is made with bread, onion, celery, butter, and fresh herbs. Some people call it dressing, some people call it stuffing. Either way, stuffing is the go-to Thanksgiving side dish. 3. Homemade cornbread. This recipe is buttery, moist, with golden crispy edges and a tender crumb. Made with buttermilk and butter for an undeniably amazing flavor. Absolutely delicious. 2. Mashed potatoes, colloquially known as mash, is a dish of mashing boiled potatoes. Usually you add milk, butter, salt and pepper to make it creamy good. There is nothing more American in Thanksgiving than creamy, buttery, mashed potatoes. 1. Mac and cheese. Everyone loves baked mac and cheese. It is nearly the universal comfort food, and there are so many variations. Of course, there's no right way or wrong way to make it. Just make sure there is tons of cheesy goodness. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And have a very happy and festive Thanksgiving. And take a look at our new merch, and support the channel. Follow on Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Links are in the bio.